I would just like to say, I'd like to say, I
Hey,
think
hi Nicky! Happy birthday! Happy 18th birthday ha! Mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo ngayon. Tagal na natin nagpupunta ha!
Okay, and now we have Miss Jody.
Nicky, happy birthday! Happy 18th birthday! Have fun! And
Jody.
makabait ka! Ingat palagi. Hi sa mami mo, sa daddy mo, tsaka, ano pangalan ng kapatid niya? Kyle?
Si Kyle!
Kyle! Hi, Kyle!
Ate baby! Galing mo ha! Ano kami ngayon ha? Pwede ka pala ano?
Ito pang ibang mga membro. Some other members of the church and visitors and friends. Yeah, si Joseph. Oh. Joseph, say hi to Nicky. Happy, it's her birthday. That's her 18th birthday, I think. That's Ansel, the main man. Chris, greet Nicky, happy birthday. Oh, that's Chris, my little son. I'll say happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Kumangga na po kayo na. Kumangga na kayo.
Yan, iba pa natin mga membro sa simbahan. Ayan, si Ogie, oh. Siya lang pinakasikat dito eh. Ayan. Ayan. Pastor, oh, yan. Pastor, yan. Malapit na mag-retire yan. Magpupunta yan sa, ano, sa... saan ba pupunta? Mexico para tanim ng ano. Tanim ng kangkong at kamote. Ayan, oh. Mga membro natin. Yan. Kinakamusta kayo. At ito si Ate Aida. Ate Aida, magbati mo naman si Nicky.
Ano?
Si Nicky.
Sinong Nicky?
Nicky, anak ni Tita Baby.
Ah, yun sa Pilipinas?
Anong last name nila?
Naku ba, nakalimutan ko.
Kamusta? Namimiss namin kayo.
Anak ni Elmer.
Balik. Ay, oo. Sila brother Elmer.
Yeah.
Balik kayo.
Yeah, that's our pastor. He's going to Mexico.
We're having the women's scholarship. They had a good time. I mean, we had a great time. I wish I could go, but they put me out.
Ayan, si brother, Cyril, ang aming moderator at aming Bible teacher dito. Sige. Andali Happy birthday.
Oh, happy birthday.
Papadala namin sa Philippines. Okay.
what?
Greet Nicky. Greet Nicky, ano. Birthday niya. Dito, magsalita ka.
Where will I?
Papadala sa Philippines to.
Sino?
Nicky.
Oh, Nicky.
Nicky, anak ni Elmer.
Oh, yeah. So, you send it?
18th birthday yata.
Oh, hi, Nicky. Happy birthday.
Hindi sila mabalik
Although you're
dito.
not
Hindi ko pa
here,
alam, Pastor.
we love you. We miss you. I hope you will come back soon. God bless. Say hi to your mom, okay? Bye.
These are band instruments, the drums, PA, the bass amp, the mic, the PA system. Ito ang aking bass guitar.
So, you're in contact with the brother...
No, we will send her through email. Ano, Ate Josie? Ate Josie, halika. Ate Josie, halika.
Brother Jim.
Yeah.
Huwag ka muna pala survey.
Oh, bati mo si Nicky, anak ni Elmer. Papadala sa Philippines to.
Hi, Elmer. Kumusta na kayong lahat? Looking forward to seeing you here with us again, worshiping the Lord. Namimiss na namin kayo. Okay?
Okay.
So, pretty soon, we'll see you.
Happy birthday.
Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Okay.
po nandito pa eh. Nakikipag-chika-chika pa. So, nakitira kino-close up.
Hindi, malayo.
Ano? Tatawain, tagal na tayo din
Oh, my mom is picking me up.
Oo. Salita ka ulit.
Hi!
Amy.
Oh, happy birthday,
Happy birthday,
Nikki!
Nikki.
From Miss America of the United States.
Miss America?
Hindi pala ito pala si Miss America. Ito pala si Miss America.
Yan ang imbornal. Ilog Pasig, 1969. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, happy
Release ka
18th
na namin.
birthday. We miss you, we love you.
Sana magkita ulit tayo.
Yeah.
Next year daw. Sabi mo, next year, Amy.
Next year. Hindi naman next year, dapat sooner.
Oh,
The
hindi,
sooner the
baka umuwi
better.
nga pala kami. Baka umuwi kami. So,
Okay.
kita
You're invited to the wedding.
Oh.
Kung alam ko lang kung kailan yun.
Okay, ayan ha.
Okay.
Bati ka na.
Sige.
Sila naman,
Hindi, meron na eh. Nakunan ko na eh.
Nanang Piling, bumati na po ba kayo?
Birthday ni Nikki.
Kilala nyo si Nikki po?
Ayan, batiin ka nanay.
Batiin nyo na po si Nikki, Nanang.
18th birthday, oh.
18th birthday, di ba?
Dibo. Oo, Dibo.
Nikki, oh. Ay, papasok.
Ayan, si nanay Trining, oh, Nikki.
Oo.
Yang looking eh. Sino mo? Hindi na nagtitina ng buhok.
Bati na po kayo.
Ano, bati kayo, sabi niya, happy birthday.
Happy birthday po kay Nikki.
Ayan, ayan.
Ayos!
Sige, salamat po. Okay, tama na yan.
Grabe ba? Patingin naman.
Ayun, marami.
Hindi may Amy.
My picture there? If it's good or...
Ay, ito pa, ito. Mahapon lang.
Take it out.
Hindi, mamaya na. Bati ka uli, oh.
Ay! Not again.
Hindi, teka. Re-rewind natin.